Before beginning assembly of your office chair, make sure you have all your parts and hardware. Starting with the base and casters, firmly press in each caster until you hear a click. Next, firmly insert the gas lift into the base. Next, we will attach the armrest. Start by connecting one armrest to the seat cushion. Flip the chair over and repeat the process to attach the second arm. Next, connect your mechanism to your backrest using L-bar screws. Then, connect your mechanism to your seat cushion using mechanism screws. Firmly place your seat onto the gas lift. Your final step of assembly is to sit on your new chair to firmly engage the mechanism onto the gas lift.